Hello everyone, my name is Parul Saini and I am doing BTech specialized in Electronics and Communication from Saga Institute of Technology, Bhopal. The topic of my major project is Automatic Water Supply Attender. The main objective of my project is to help the working people and the old person who are not physically well and good to take the stairs and check their overhead tank water levels. So as per the topic name, it is going to be attending the water supply in the absence of the user, and it is also going to be acknowledging the user that the water supply has been started, and it will allow the user to remotely check the overhead tank water level and switching on and off the motor. It is also going to reducing the water wastage by automatically switching off the motor when the overhead tank level get completely filled. That's all from my side. Now Rupali Soni will share the further information of the project.
Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Soni. I am pursuing BTech in Electronic and Communication Engineering from Saga Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. My major project topic is Automatic Water Supply Attender. The component is used in our project is Node, MCU, Wi-Fi development, Arduino IDE, ultrasonic sensor, relay, water flow sensor and power supply unit.
Hello, myself Priya Tripathi. I am pursuing BTech in Electronic and Communication Engineering from Saga Group of Research and Technology. My major project title is Automatic Water Supply Attender, and now I will show you the working of our project. This is a water source from where water comes to the overhead water tank, and this is our overhead water tank, the ultrasonic sensor attached with the overhead tank. And now I will show you the hardware of this project. We are using Arduino Uno as a main microcontroller of this project, and this is a Node MCU or Wi-Fi model, and this is a power supply unit, and this is a 12-volt relay. And we used to sense a water by using ultrasonic sensor to detect the water level of tank, and we use a water pump also. And this is our Android app that we use to work on hardware. This block is considered as a water tank, and it increases when water level is increases, and it decreases when water level is decreases. And this is a LCD, shows us a status of water tank, and this button is used to switch on or off the motor. And there are two modes, manual mode and automatic mode. In manual mode, it's just like a remote. Now you all can see that in LCD shows status is tank is empty, and we just block the sensor, and you all can see the tank level is increasing, and also in LCD shows that status is tank is full, and we goes all low, so it shows that half tank is full. That's all of my side. Thank you so much.